When everything is becoming abstract, how much of a developer are you anymore? If you want to be a developer, where do you start? Do you start with something that makes everything super easy, or do you start with something that makes your understanding very thorough?
I would be saying you want to be starting at the base level so that you understand what you're doing. Because if you haven't got that base to then build it on, you're building on sand.
Yeah.
You need to understand that low level technical what is going on. So you should be starting with a simple project, complicated system, fair enough, but you start with your hello world and then you make it more complicated from there. But don't hide what you're actually doing. Something like the Node Red, yes, I played with it, it was okay, but it hides what it's actually doing.
Right.
It's a visual basic of programming.
Yeah. And I wonder when we talk about so many of the people, the companies in the industry and people I talk to are concerned about there being a shortage of engineers, et cetera, et cetera. I don't know if this is actually creating engineers. And I think that this is the distinction, right? Okay, you want to generate people who can solve problems, but if you're spoon feeding too much, you don't have minds, you have hands. Right?